Hi everyone! My name is Cleofe and welcome to Crafting Shed. So today I thought I'll try something different. I was in ChatGPT looking for ideas and it suddenly occurred to me, does ChatGPT know how to write a crochet pattern? So I tried it and it did generate a crochet pattern. So I was curious if it really works. I thought that's what I'm gonna show you today. We'll go to the pattern that I generated from ChatGPT and actually crochet it together and see if it will work. So, do you want to do it with me? Let's go. So here is the screen where ChatGPT website is open. And I just really wrote a very simple prompt. I just want to find out if ChatGPT can come up with a new crochet stitch. So my prompt is write me a pattern for a new crochet stitch, and that's it. And then it did generate this pattern, but it didn't come up with a new stitch. It did say though, here's a unique pattern for you to try. It's called the twisted V-stitch. And it says it combines a traditional V-stitch with a slight twist for a bit of texture and interest. This stitch works well for blankets, scarves, or even shawls. And it's in multiples of 3 and it has the standard abbreviations. Looks to me this is a working pattern, so I am printing this and let's try to crochet if it works. So this is the printed copy. I move it to Google Docs first before printing, so it looks a bit different from the screen. So it says here we'll start with a foundation row, start with a foundation chain in multiples of 3. So I'm just gonna do short just to try it out if it works. So I'm just gonna do 15 chains. 15 is multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so chain 15 and then row 1, which says base row, chain 3, and then that counts as first double crochet. Then double crochet into each chain across. You should end up with a row of double crochet stitches. Okay, let's do that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then double crochet into each chain. So I think it means in the standard, double crochet in 4th chains, because this is our last double crochet, this is our last chain for the 15 chains that I did. So double crochet in the last chain, or chain 15. And then double crochet in each chain. And this is row 1. So I'm gonna make a correction here. In row 1, chain 3, double crochet in 4th chain from hook to make it standard. Double crochet in 4th chain from hook, then double crochet in each chain across. So this is here. So I'm gonna revise this pattern and then put it in the description below. Okay, row 2. Row 2 is chain 3, count as first double crochet, skip 2 double crochets, then make a V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch, in the next double crochet, and then just repeat. Okay. So chain 3, this is row 2 now, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn. So it didn't say turn, I'm gonna say turn here. And then skip 2 double crochets, skip 1, 2, and then here, V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. And then just repeat, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, V-stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2, 1, 2, double crochet, V-stitch in the next stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2 stitches, V-stitch here, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2 stitches, V-stitch here, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then end with a double crochet in the last stitch. So double crochet in the last stitch right here. So far so good. row 2, up to row 2, it works. Oh, there's the turn here. Okay, row 3. Row 3, chain 3, count as the first double crochet. Twist the V-stitch. Work a double crochet into the chain 1 space of the previous row. Then work a double crochet into the top of the double crochet in the previous row. Work a double crochet into the top of the double crochet in the previous row. Now this one does not make sense, kinda, but I'm just gonna try to work it out. Okay, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn. I'll put my turn here. Twist the V-stitch. Work a double crochet in the chain 1 space. So this is the chain 1 space of prior row. Work a double crochet. Work a double crochet into the top of the double crochet. So twist, I think the way I interpret is double crochet on top of the double crochet stitch. So I'm gonna double crochet on this double crochet stitch right here, the first double crochet of V-stitch, and then double crochet on this second double crochet of the V-stitch right here. That's how I interpret row 3. So this one is kind of twisted, right? Then repeat from here, twist the V-stitch. So double crochet on the chain 1 space again. Double crochet in this double crochet stitch of the first double crochet stitch of the V-stitch. So yarn over and kind of go back to this stitch right here. And double crochet, then double crochet in this next double crochet stitch of the second double crochet stitch of the V-stitch. So this is the twisted V-stitch, I think. Repeat, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the first double crochet of V-stitch, double crochet in the second double crochet of V-stitch. Repeat, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, double crochet in the first double crochet of V-stitch, double crochet in the second, and then last, double crochet in the chain 1 space, double crochet in the first double crochet of V-stitch, and double crochet in the second double crochet of V-stitch. So that's how it looks like. And then end, and I guess end with a double crochet on top of the beginning chain 3 right here, because we have to double crochet in each double crochet stitch. Okay, and then row 4, last row, chain 3, skip 2 double crochets, make a V-stitch into the next double crochet. So kind of repeat of row 2. So row 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, says skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and V-stitch in the next stitch right here. So V-stitch is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. This is what it looks like, and I think it works because it's aligned with a V-stitch in this row right here in row 2. And then repeat the pattern, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, V-stitch in the next stitch right here, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Repeat, skip 2 stitches, V-stitch in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Repeat, skip 2 stitches, V-stitch in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, V-stitch in the next stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. End with a double crochet in the last stitch, the third chain of beginning chain 3. So this is what row 4 looks like. And then it says, repeat rows 3 and 4 until your piece reaches the desired length. How it works, the V-stitch creates a wide open lace-like texture, okay? The twisted V-stitch brings the stitch to life by creating a subtle crisscross pattern. Yeah, so it is a crisscross. This one. Making it extra dynamic. This pattern is simple to memorize but adds a lovely texture to your projects. Would you like me to help with a project idea or any specific stitch variations? So I don't want to drag this video longer than it already is, but I did crochet 2 more rows just to check if the pattern works, and this is what it looks like. I got really excited because this idea has potential. I think if I improve my prompts in ChatGPT, it would generate something better too. Oh, and if you have suggestions, please leave a comment below. That's all it is for today. Thank you for being here and share this fun experience with me. I so appreciate it. Please subscribe if you're new here or if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye for now. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.